thing WeFlex has really reduced, not only the traceability, process flow and things like that, is the amount of paperwork. To where before it was a manual system, handed to the picker, the driver, they check it off one at a time, searching for locations. WeFlex allows you to go straight to the location, and it is moved not by a scan, but by the transponders in the floor in the fork truck. I can tell where all my people are at any time during the day. I can tell what they're doing, when's the last time they've done anything, what they've done, where they've moved product, all from the computer screen. It really helps in tracking shipment errors, shipment traceability as a whole. I can look up any fork truck at one time, and it'll show me exactly what they're doing, what goods they have moved, and where they have moved them to. Each location in the warehouse, every storage location, has a lane, an identification bin or an aisle, you could call it. In those locations are two transponders in the floor, one outside the lines and one inside the lines. As the fork truck approaches, it picks up that transponder and it shows the distance you are at going into the lane. Once you're in the lane, it shows you inside the lane. As you pick up the product, it shows the product on your forks with a label identification number on the pallet. And as you back up, it pulls that out of that location until you arrive at your next location. You're crossing another transponder. And a transponder is a little 2-inch piece of equipment. It's like a radio frequency transmitter. It interacts with the system. The equipment that is on the fork truck, there's actually a piece of equipment underneath the fork truck that reads this transponder. Each fork truck is equipped with a depth sensor and a height sensor. As you approach the pallet, it shows how far away you are. There's a bar at the bottom of the GUI that is blue. As you get closer, it counts down and it turns green. That pallet is locked in on your fork. You can then pick up the product and back away with it. The height sensor, if you're grabbing a stack of pallets, 1, 2, 3, 4 high, it measures the height. This is critical because as you store product, it is stored by location of the transponder and by height. So it will identify each height of each pallet as you put it away and pull it away. Each pallet in this warehouse has that system capability. The transponders in each lane, the ID on each pallet in the front, and there's approximately over 15,000 pallets we have in the warehouse right now. Anytime a pallet or any product is moved, I can look at the computer screen and see where it's moved, what time it was moved. The system's not that hard to learn. It's more repetition than anything and figuring out all the functions of the system. Gentlemen from WeFlex spent time with each of my fork truck drivers 2 hours a day for a week. And then before they go live, they had a representative here, probably spending a couple hours each day for 2 weeks with each driver. The drivers are very confident in the system. With WeFlex's support, only a phone call away, any bugs that pop up, any issues, they're there to resolve it. WeFlex is a very reliable system. It's very stable. Also, the technology that WeFlex provides as far as their knowledge in logistics, it has really improved the flow of the product efficiencies, and cost overall. It's a graphical user interface inside each fork truck. It will show pallet number, pallet ID, product, where it's located, and the fork truck driver simply pulls into that area, picks up the product, highlights on the GUI, and backs up. It really eliminates a chance for error. It also has a messaging system where I can type a message just like text. It'll appear on their fork truck on the GUI, and it really helps communication there. It's made my job easier.